Imagine this. It's December 2026. You open YouTube Studio and see thousands of subscribers, views climbing, and revenue ticking upward even while you sleep. Now imagine the opposite. Another year passes. You watch tutorials, saved ideas, planned thumbnails, but never started. Someone else launched your idea first. The gap between those two futures isn't talent or luck. It's a system. Today I'm going to show you that system. After years studying YouTube strategy and storytelling patterns, I've seen one painful truth: most people don't fail because YouTube is hard. They fail because they start blindly. And 2026 is not forgiving. The competition is sharper. The algorithm is smarter. Attention spans are shorter than ever. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a YouTube channel the right way, not just to upload videos, but to grow and generate income. Let's begin. Starting a channel today isn't just about posting content. It's about building a digital asset. Unlike short-term trends on other platforms, YouTube rewards value over time. A video you upload today can continue generating views months or years later. Think of each upload as planting an investment that compounds. And here's something beginners underestimate. Starting a channel builds skills that pay beyond YouTube: editing, storytelling, communication, audience psychology. Even if your first videos don't succeed, you're gaining abilities that increase your long-term leverage. So the real question isn't whether you'll succeed immediately. The real question is, would you rather fail privately now or regret publicly later? Next, let's talk about how YouTube actually works. Many beginners chase myths, upload timing hacks, secret tags, algorithm tricks. But at its core, YouTube measures two things: viewer behavior and video performance. Viewer behavior tells the platform what people want. Video performance shows how your content holds their attention. This breaks down into key signals: click-through rate, watch time, average view duration, and engagement. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. You're not optimizing for the algorithm. You're optimizing for humans. The algorithm simply measures their reactions. So instead of asking how to hack YouTube, ask how to hold attention. That question reshapes your entire strategy. Now comes one of the most important decisions: your niche. Choosing randomly is like building a house on sand. Use a simple framework. Passion: you enjoy the topic. Proficiency: you understand it. Profit potential: it has audience and growth. Your niche should sit where these three overlap. Pick only for money and you burn out. Pick only for passion and growth may stall. Pick randomly and consistency disappears. And consistency is oxygen for YouTube. If you're unsure where to start, look at your own watch history. The content you naturally consume often reveals your strongest direction. Once your niche is clear, the next step is research. Before creating, observe the landscape. Use a secondary account and fill your feed with top creators in your niche. Watch analytically. Why did you click? What made the thumbnail compelling? What kept you watching? You're not copying. You're learning proven patterns. Because successful creators don't always do different things. They do proven things differently. This preparation stage is where strategic creators gain advantage before uploading anything. Now let's address perfectionism, the silent killer of new channels. Many people delay their first upload because they want perfection. But your first video won't be perfect. Your 10th might not be either. So remove the pressure. Use a practice channel. Upload consistently for a month. 1 or 2 long videos per week, or several shorts weekly. This builds workflow: scripting, recording, editing, publishing. Quantity builds skill. Skill builds quality. Not the other way around. And this leads to scripting, the backbone of retention. Every strong video follows structure: hook, value, closure. The first 30 seconds decide survival. If attention is lost there, nothing else matters. Create curiosity. Promise transformation. Establish emotional stakes. Then deliver value clearly and engagingly. Faceless content especially benefits from structured scripting. Writing word for word helps maintain clarity and pacing, especially early in your journey. Now here's the deeper truth about starting in 2026. Success isn't about perfect strategy. It's about starting before confidence arrives. Confidence comes from uploading. Momentum comes from repetition. Authority comes from persistence. The creators who succeed aren't always smarter or luckier. They simply started while others hesitated. So ask yourself honestly, will next year's version of you thank you or wish you had begun today? Because your audience doesn't exist yet. Your impact doesn't exist yet. Your growth doesn't exist yet. Until you upload. And now that you understand how to start, The next step is learning how to upload strategically, especially shorts, because that can accelerate your growth dramatically. Tap the video on your end screen titled "The Right Way to Upload Short Videos" and continue building your channel with the right foundation. I'll see you there.